Good morning, everyone. My name is Prabowo Satrio Wicaksono. I'm from Sangga Buana University, Bandung. Right now, I will presentation about my project. My project title is Dissociative Identity Disorder by using Dissociative Experience Scale method based on Android. Definition of DID is mental disorder that cause a person to have more than one personality. Cause of DID can be amnesia, uncontrollable behavior, and social interaction gap. To know DID symptom can be detected using dissociative experience scale. The purpose of this application is to create a DID detection using expert system. The measurement method using DES version 1 by filling questionnaire related with DID question. The test result that show the ID symptom based on the score. If the score above 30, then the result is positive. If below 30, then the result is negative. The idea behind this project, lack of awareness and public understanding about the ID, especially in Indonesia, often associate mental disorder with something myth or supernatural. Because of this belief, the patient of DID cannot get the right treatment and suffer by social judgment. Therefore, to identify the problem, need expert knowledge in field of DID. The solution is create Android-based application by combining expert knowledge and expert system method on application that can identify the ID problem based on DES version 1 questionnaire method, which the result can be used as diagnosis because already been validated by expert as solution to determine the ID. Literature review about this project. A person with DID has several identities divided into two. First is host identity and the other is alter identity. Host identity is a real personality that belongs to one body. Alter in the identity is another personality that develop differently. Method of determination DID using test question or interview with DES. High dissociation level is indicated by score above 30. A score below 30 indicates a low level dissociation. Expert systems are one of the artificial intelligence that adopt working and think of an expert who is able to draw conclusions in solving problems. The expert system is able to make even the right conclusion based on the facts that have been tested by expert itself. Expert system in this project refer to the Dissociative Experience Scale version 1. In this application, the questionnaire has been adapted to independent sample theory. This theory has been validated by expert itself in Tanovitasari. This is how the detection sequence works. First, user need to create their account inside application, and then application will save the input inside database. From database, it will return to the user, and now user can log in with their created account. After that, application will validate the registered data. After the validation, user can immediately use their account for use the main feature detection. This application uses Java programming language with Android Studio implementation SQLite as a database. The minimum requirement operating system for this application is Android 5, also known as Lollipop. The main menu contains 4 features. The first feature is the location of mental health hospital. Second is the ID information. This contains the definition, symptom, and solution. The third feature is registration. This where the user create their account, and the fourth feature is detection. I will explain in the next segment. Next, I will do demonstration about detection. First, user need to log in with their account and then fill the detection form. This including name, age, gender, and address. From here, user need to answer all 28 questions. Each question contains 4 multiple choice. Each multiple choice have a point. First choice is 0 point. Second one, the third 2, and the last one is 4. I will straight forward to the result. In here, the application make a statement if the user had a symptom of the ID. This is a detection result show how the calculation works for each answer. Beta testing show how user interact with application. There is a 5 question. Each question have 5 multiple choice that determine user satisfaction level. The question number 1 is about how helpful application is. Question number 2 is about feature. Question number 3 is about detection. Question number 4 is about information. Question number 5 is about interface. Total beta tester for this application is 30 correspondent. Based on the average data from the chart, we can see almost 30% this application is very helpful. 52% is just helpful, 13% quite helpful, and 3% is helpless, and 0% for not helpful. So the conclusion, based on user satisfaction, reach almost 83% application being helpful for user. The conclusion is this application system is used for mental health whose purpose is to conduct self-testing dissociative identity disorder using mobile application, and also increase user awareness about mental health, especially the ID. Based on the data, almost with 83% user satisfaction show user find this application being helpful. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.